In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Sheet using Google Drive. If you're new to Google Drive or just looking to streamline your workflow, this guide will walk you through the simple process of setting up a new spreadsheet. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to quickly access and start building your own Google Sheets. Let's begin our journey at Google Drive's homepage. If you aren't already familiar, Google Drive is a cloud storage service that offers not just storage, but also a suite of applications to boost productivity. To get started, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to Google Drive. If you have a Google account, simply log in. If not, you'll need to create one to access these services. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, you'll notice a variety of options. What we're interested in today is tucked away in the upper left corner, the New button. Clicking on New will reveal a drop-down menu that shows all the different types of files you can create directly from Google Drive. From the drop-down menu, locate and click on Google Sheets. Google Sheets is an incredibly powerful tool for organizing and analyzing data, similar to Microsoft Excel, but with the added benefit of seamless online collaboration. Once you click Google Sheets, you'll be directed to a brand new spreadsheet, ready for you to customize and fill with data. Now that you're in a fresh Google Sheets window, let's take a look at naming your spreadsheet. Naming your file is an important step, especially when you start amassing lots of documents. Trust me, a well-organized Google Drive makes life much easier. Head up to the top left corner of your screen where it says Untitled Spreadsheet. Click on it and you'll be able to type in a name of your choice. Make it something intuitive and descriptive so you can easily identify it later when you need to. And just like that, you've created a new Google Sheet. From here, you're free to enter data, format cells, create formulas, and explore the many features Google Sheets has to offer. Whether you're planning a budget, tracking a project, or simply experimenting with data, Google Sheets is a versatile platform that grows with your needs. Congratulations on taking this step to enhance your online productivity. As you continue to work in Google Sheets, remember that practice is key. The more you experiment with its features, the more comfortable you'll become. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Always feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need a refresher. Happy spreadsheeting!